If you're like me and you drive an Astra, eventually you'll probably have to change a headlight bulb. So on these, in theory, it should be possible to take this cover off and actually get the bulb in there, but you see there's not really very much room in there. Same on the other side. You could try to take all this stuff away, but it'd still be really hard to do. So basically, what you have to do to get the headlight out, you have to take the whole assembly out. There's an 8mm here. You have to take 2 Torx screws out here, pull the bumper off a little bit. To get it to move more, you have to take the grill off, and hopefully you don't have one that's not for the right car like mine and end up breaking some of the tabs off like I did. That's not going to be fun to put back together. Then you have to remove some clips here to get some more space. So you could pull this out a little bit, and then there's another 8mm in there. You get those 2 8mm out, then you can actually pull the headlight assembly. So after you get that 8mm out, you have to wiggle the whole headlight assembly until you get it to this point. And then you have to disconnect the connector here, which you should be able to just pry this out. Once it gets to a certain point, the whole assembly will pop up, and there you go. So then the headlight is free from the car. And since I have it off, I'm going to go ahead and give it a polish and pull the passenger side and polish that also. There's plenty of other videos already on YouTube on how to polish a headlight. I'm not going to bother with doing that. I just need to get it done. When it comes to actually changing the light bulb, that part's easy. Your main bulb here, this one is here, and this one is for the turn signal. But to get these out, you just, they're clearly marked. Turn it. There's the bulb. Then you turn that, and you take the bulb out. You want to make sure not to touch the glass on the new bulb. If you do, clean it with rubbing alcohol and let it dry completely before you use it. These bulbs will burn out very quickly if you touch the glass. But I'm going to polish the lens before I do that. So there's the driver's side. It's all polished. I didn't do as well as I could because, well, there's a stain right here that you might be able to see. It goes up into here. That is on the inside. And I was hoping that would polish out. I was hoping it was on the outside, but I was wrong. So because of that, I'm going to have to either take the whole thing apart and try to get that out from the inside, or just get new headlights, which these are not great anyway. But I'm actually needing a few different headlights, so I'm not going to be buying 3 sets. But here's the passenger side for comparison. I'm going to pull this one off and polish it also. But it's so much better. So while putting this back on, I remembered / realized that besides taking off the bumper, taking off the grill, all that good stuff, there's actually 3 bolts. There's this one, there's the one down here behind the bumper, and then there's actually this one here, which is broken on this headlight. There should be another screw right there. It's broken over there also. That's part of the reason why I remembered. But yeah, it's 3 bolts, not 2. And that's most likely 8mm also. See, does this one have it? That one has it on that side, and it doesn't appear to be broken. Yay. I know this one's broken on this side. For a clear comparison, taking the headlights off is stinky. Let me go over this again. To get them out, you have to take off the grill. You have to take off 2 screws on each side. If your car hasn't been messed with, there's a little plastic clip here, a little plastic clip here. You have to pull these loose to actually pull the bumper cover off. And then you can actually get to the headlight. 8mm here, here, and right there. And then you work with the headlight to pull it off. And then there's just one big connector. Use a flathead screwdriver to get the connector off. Not perfect, but so much better.